Hi guys, in front of me is Realme 10 Pro Plus, and let me show you how to change date and time. So at first unroll the list of all apps and then go to settings. Now find and select additional settings and click on a date and time right here. And now you have to switch off automatic date and time, and now you can smoothly set it up manually by yourself. Let's go back in time a bit, then just the same way you can change the time. If you wish to apply also your own manually set time zone, just switch off automatic one and then pick the one from the following list. So this is it. This is how you can manage date and time on your device. Then whenever you wish to go back to automatic setup, just use those switchers. And that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.